They say we are what we eat. We are Blue Tribe. Recipe is a protein-packed, lip-smacking, plant-based chicken keema with peas. Add olive oil in a pan and let it caramelize. Add chopped onions. Tomatoes. Add your Blue Tribe chicken keema to this. And cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Quick dash of coriander for color, and voila! Look at that! Just like that, your lovely, beautiful peas keema is ready to eat. You can either have it as a delicious snack at 4 p.m. or for a delicious breakfast with something like some bread or some sides. You know what? Let's put it in the test. Oh my gosh. Get your order right away on bluetribefoods.com.